Good morning, children. How are you all, children? All are fine, no, children? Yes. Today we are going to learn new lesson. Today we are going to learn new lesson. Lesson name: Food from plants. Food from plants. Food means what, children? What you will have breakfast? What you will have lunch? What you will have dinner? Some will like idli, no? That is breakfast. Some will like dosa. Some will like poha. Some will like uppe. Is it or no, children? Then lunch, what you will eat? Roti, chapati, sabji, rice, dal. You will eat, no, children? Dinner, for dinner also you want chapati, no? Chapati or rice, dal and sabji. This food where you will get, children? Where do you will get these food, children? Most of our food comes from plants. Is it or no, children? Most of our food comes from plants. We get vegetables, fruits from plants. All food will get from directly, we cannot get, no, children. Most of the food will get from the plants. We eat all parts of the plants: roots, stem, leaves and flowers. Flowers means cauliflower and broccoli, that is flowers. Then we get cereals, pulses, sugar, tea and coffee from plants. We also get cooking oil. Mummy will cook, no? For that oil want, no, for mummy. So cooking oil also will get from the plants. Nuts and dry fruits. Dry fruits. Do you like dry fruits, children? No? Cashew nut, almond. These all dry fruits. These also will get from the plants only. Is it or no, children? Potato and ginger grow under the soil, but they are special stems, not roots. Some vegetables can be eaten raw. Which is that vegetable, children? Do you know? Some vegetable can be eaten raw. Yes, that is cucumber, carrot, onion. You will eat raw, no? Without cooking, you can eat carrot, cucumber, onion. Is it or no, children? Cereals are grains: rice, wheat, bajra, corn, barley, and oats. These also will get from the plants. We also get pulses from plants. Seeds of some plants are called pulses. Example: whole moong, black gram, that is channa, kidney beans, that is rajma, and peas, and etc. These also will get from the plants. What are the cereals? Grains. I told, no? Rice, wheat, bajra, corn, oats, etc. A lot of our food comes from plants. A lot of our food comes from plants. Which is your favorite fruit, children? Yes, some will like mango, no? Do you like mango? Yes, some will like apple, some will like mango, some will like watermelon. These fruits also will get from the plants. Which is your favorite vegetable, children? That is, some will like brinjal, no? Brinjal. Some will like cauliflower. Some will like potato. Some will like lady's finger. These all will get from the plants. Most of our food comes from the plants. Now we'll go page number 134. Open your textbook, page number 34. Food from plants. Lesson name is Food from Plants. It is 8 a.m. 8 a.m. means morning, no? And Aju Arman. That is name of the boy and girl. And Ginger. Ginger is a dog name. Are having breakfast. Aju is having a bowl of porridge. Aju is having a bowl of porridge. Porridge is broken wheat. Godi, odiddu godi. Arman is eating cornflakes. Cornflakes means it is made up from corn. And they will eating fruit salad too. Fruit salad, do you like fruit salad, children? All mixed fruit salad is there, no? That apple, banana, then grapes. All fruits will mix and will eat. That is called fruit salad. Ginger is having fresh bread soaked in milk. Ginger, this is Ginger, boy. Sorry, this is dog. Having fresh bread. All of you know, no? Bread. Bread is made from flour. Hittinda ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು bread. Soaked in milk. With milk, Ginger is having his breakfast. The porridge is made of broken wheat. Porridge means it is made of broken wheat. Aju has added milk and sugar to it. Aju has added milk and sugar. Not only he has taken broken wheat, with that he has added milk and sugar. All of you know, no, milk. Where do you will get milk? Yes, the cow gives us milk, no, children. Sugar is made of sugar cane. Cornflake is made of from corn. Corn means mekidani, na? Mekidani. Corn means mekidani. Cornflakes is made from corn. Bread is made from flour. Bread is made from hittinda ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು bread. Wheat andre ಗೋಧಿ. Corn means ಮೆಕ್ಕಿದನಿ. Flour means hit. And sugar. All of you know sugar are all plant products. These all will get from the plants. Where does milk come from? Where does milk come from? Cow will give the milk now. Yes, the cow gives us milk. A lot of our food comes from plants. Most of our food comes from the plants. Vegetable, fruits, pulses, cereals, all will get from the plants. All vegetables are plants. Vegetable, do you like vegetable, no, children? Vegetable also will come from the plants. Yes? Once again I am going to read. It is 8 a.m. Aju and Arman and Ginger are having breakfast. Aju is having a bowl of porridge. Arman is eating cornflakes and they will be eating fruit salad too. Ginger is having fresh bread soaked in milk. The porridge is made of broken wheat. Aju has added milk and sugar to it. Cornflakes is made from corn. Bread is made from flour. Wheat, corn, flour and sugar are all plant products. Where does milk come from? That is question. Answer is cow gives us milk, no? We'll get milk from the cow. A lot of our food comes from plants. All vegetables are plants. Here an activity is given. In the basket, you have to identify the vegetable and write its name against the number. You have given the number here 1 to 10 number. You have to identify the vegetable name. First one is bottle gourd, that is gourd. First one you have to write gourd. Second one, where is the second number? Potato. Third one, where is the third one? Onion. Fourth one, where is the fourth one? Spanish. Fifth one, where is the fifth one? Here, cauliflower. Sixth one, where is the sixth one? Yes, brinjal. Seventh one, where is the seventh one? Here, capsicum. Where is capsicum? Here, capsicum. Eighth one, lady's finger. First one, lady's finger. Ninth one, where is the nine? Yes, here, cabbage. 10, this is carrot. So you have to write in your textbook. Okay, children? All of you write in your textbook. This is activity, for your activity. You see the number and according to the number you have to write. And lesson also you have to read, children. Page number 134. Thank you, children.